my third scratch tutorial. In this tutorial I am going to show you how to make 2D shapes like triangle, square, circle and rectangle in Scratch. Let's get started. So first open your web browser, then go to scratch.mit.edu and then click the create button to open the Scratch editor. Now you can see there's no pen blocks on the left. And now in order to add the pen blocks, click this add extension button on the bottom left and then click pen. You can see we have erase all, stamp, pen down, pen up, set pen color to, change pen color by. So what we want now is we want to make a custom block that can do all of these things. So first go to my blocks, then click make a block. And then we can call this block square with a side length as an input. We're going to start with pen down. Now pen down, if you don't know what pen down means, pen down just starts by if you write with a pen on some paper, then if you just hold the pen above your paper, which is pen up, then it will not write. However, if it is down on the paper, press down on the paper, pen down, then it will write. So pen down enters writing mode, pen up closes writing mode. So first pen down, then go to control and you want to repeat 4 times. And what we want to do is we want to turn right 90 degrees and we're going to move side steps. Now move is different from change X and change Y in such that it's different because it will move this many steps in the direction that you are currently in. By default you are in the direction 90 degrees. Now in order to run this custom block, we are going to use the when green flag clicked. Then we are going to go to my blocks and then square, and we can set this square with a side length of say 100 and we can hide the scratch cat. And as you can see, we have created a square. However, we are just overwriting the square. We can set the pen color, and every time the green flag is clicked, we can change the pen color by 10 and maybe change the pen width to like 10. Now you can see it's just drawing over the original from the last iteration. So what we should do before doing this is erase all, and now you can see it just draws a normal square. Also, you should start the script with go to radius, with go to side, and now it is like this. We can change it. Now you are drawing a square. Now let us move on to the next shape, which is rectangle. First triangle. So let's start with the triangle, an equilateral triangle with a side length. And now what we are going to do is we are going to see here triangle side, define triangle side. Now what we want to do is first we are going to start by putting the pen down, and we are going to repeat. We're going to repeat 3 times because a triangle has 3 sides. So we're going to repeat 3 times and we're going to move side steps and we're going to turn right 240 degrees. Now let us go in our script. Up here, let's go in our script, and now let us choose the triangle and we're going to set side length of 100, and now we can see we have created a triangle. Now the next step is to make a rectangle. So let us make a new block. Let us do a rectangle. Now a rectangle has 2 sides, the length and the width. The length and the width. You can click OK over here and we have the defined rectangle length width. And under this, what we want to do is we want a rectangle to move like to the right, then turn right 90 degrees, and we want to move down, and then right, and then left, and then up. So what we are going to do, we are going to repeat this twice. We are going to turn right 90 degrees and we are going to move length steps. turn right 90 more, and then do with steps. We're still drawing the triangle in our script, and we can change this to a rectangle by just going into the script, removing the triangle block, and dragging in the rectangle block, which we want 100 by 50 rectangle. Like this, and we have this rectangle. And we have drawn a rectangle. 50 by 100 will give you a horizontal rectangle. Like so. So now we have drawn the rectangle. Now it is time for circle. So the circle will have a radius. Now what we are going to do is we are going to focus on 15 into 24 is 360. What we can do is we can just use 1 into 360 is 360. So you can use the pen block, pen down, here too, pen down, and for the rectangle, pen down. So we start by putting the pen down for the circle, then we are going to repeat 360 times, and we are going to move or turn right 1 degree and then move radius steps. We're going to go here and we're going to remove the rectangle and we're going to add a circle with 35 as the radius, and it is drawing a circle. You can see it draws a circle successfully. I need to add the go to 0, 0 block so it can start in the center of the stream. Now the reason it didn't draw a circle like that, is because it hit a roadblock with the y-axis, and y-axis cannot go past 180. So it could not go past 180. So that is why it's happening like that. If you change this to like 25, then it should be a complete circle. So friends, I hope you have enjoyed what we have learned in this video. So Diwali is right around the corner. So next week we will be learning how to make a Diwali lantern. So I'll see you next time. Bye. If you have any doubts, you can comment below in the comment section, or you can email me at atharv@nadkarni@gmail.com.